It's Royce Davis fly fishing over at Henry's Lake, middle of June. Gonna be fishing 2 rods today with my 2-pole permit. I'll have one, I'll call it the dummy rod, that'll be in a holder. And just starting with the black micro jig and then a chironomid. And an indicator, all on fluorocarbon. I think it's 3X at the bottom and about 8 feet down. So we'll get the rods in the water and see if we can't find something to hit them. So I only come here about once a year, but I think I'm in the right spot. Holy hell, that is a fat fish. Holy crap. I don't know how big that thing is. Shit. Look how fat that thing is. Nice Yellowstone cutthroat. That baby. So, about halfway through the day on Henry's Lake, I've caught, I think I've landed 6 and missed another 6 or so. Just real subtle takes. You can see I'm just fishing, I don't know if I'm 20 feet out in front of me. Just the indicator and then dropping, started with the chironomid and then end up just dropping 2 leeches about 8 feet down. So yeah, just waiting for one to hit it. And they're real subtle takes, so you got to be quick to set the hook. And yeah.